My name is Iris Oliveira. My title is the PX Specialist or HR Specialist, and I work down in Miami, Brickell. Our bank is called BB America Bank. It's actually a Brazilian bank with an American style right here. The organizational chart, it's something really important because our bank, it grew so much through COVID. So we were around 80 to 100 employees and we are now at 290. We didn't have an organizational chart system. Everything was being done by Excel, and I had to manually update every single name, job title, reports too. So when I found the OrgChart, I'm like, this is saving me hours of work. It's making sure that it's accurate. It's easy because it has the HRIS connection, and I can get something done and modified. I had an audit request. They only needed the job titles and their work emails, no names. If I didn't have OrgChart, I would have to delete one by one and then save it and make sure. So it saved me days of work. My name is Iris Oliveira. I work for BB America's Bank and we use OrgChart.